The Grinch. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is Vlogmas day. I don't remember. I'll insert it at the bottom. And we are gonna go look at the lights in our neighborhood, and we are gonna look for the Grinch. All right, so we're gonna take you along with us to see the lights at people's houses in our neighborhood. Okay, so this is the first house. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we found the Grinch. Ooh, and they have a Grinch, a huge snowman, a little elephant, and a Snoopy, and a Santa. I don't know what that extra noise is. And a Santa Claus with a weird looking little beard there. But it's super cute. And off we go to the next one. Here we are coming up on this lovely house. I have to roll the window down so it's clear for y'all. But they are decorative and colorful. And they have the snowman. They have Santa with his reindeer. They put a lot of work into this. Candy canes, reindeer, another snowman. And you can see the Christmas tree through the window that matches the lights on the house. And then they have a nativity scene all on its lonesome over here at the corner with a nice glowing tree. At the bottom, comment down below which house you think is your favorite. Well, not which you think is your favorite, but which one is your favorite. And off we go to house number 3. Alright, and here we are at house number 3, I believe. Because the senior assistant living home did not count, but okay, the cars are right back. Okay, back to talking about this little house. You got Santa on the roof. I love the rainbow tree, super cute. A snowman on the roof, and then if you look really close, they have a Pepper Pig that Camden spotted. So yeah, this is house 3. Very simple yet well.
I'm gonna go downstairs and
it's just like a little
hope that she can
rope ribbon situation of the driveway that they have going on.
Situations will arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with
there you go. It's recorded.
You do? Are they awesome? Tell us what you think. You not gonna talk to the people?
That was great.
It's great.
I think this place is my favorite. I sure forget I like it.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So I done did this outro I don't know how many damn times. But what was I trying to say? Yeah, I done this outro several. I got the key. Anyways, that was the last house. We have made it home. I'm getting stuff out the car. This thing keeps zooming in on my face. But until our next episode, stay blessed, stay true, stay you, and happy holidays.